Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on today with another My Creative Times design team project. And today I will be using the 2mm halfback pearls. So those are the tiniest ones. I will also be using the Circus Clown Ephemera, as well as the Tiny Bows butterfly plate, and I'm using actually butterflies from there. The ticket booth, and I'm only using the layers for that top half. Pretty Scallop Heart Dies, and I'm using the middle one. 5x5 card die layers, and I'm using the one that looks like a postage card and the layer for that. And last but I am also using the Pastel Party 2026. And here goes this cute little card that I made. I really love it. And it looks like a baby card, but I really like how it turned out. And so this is from the ticket booth die, where I had this actually just laying around in my stash, and so I wanted to use it, and I seen one of the ladies from the school platform use that little topper in a different way, and I was just like, well, there we go. And mine was just laying around anyway, so I thought I would put it behind this heart that I chose to use, and then I added that little unicorn on top. And then these layers are from the 5x5 card-based die. And then I add that little ticket that also came from the ticket booth. I thought that turned out so cute. And then I did add some of her flatback gems there. Really pretty. And then these little butterflies are from the tiny bow and butterfly die plate. Really like that. And I did add some stickles. Not stickles, but glitter on top of my unicorn. And then there goes the inside. So I really like how that turned out. If you have the chance, make sure you go over and visit the rest of the ladies. I have their links down below, as well as my Creative Time store. And if you'd like to use my code to purchase any of these items, you may do so, and that is MOE, or you can use any of the other designers. That's all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.